The neutralization, we'll discuss what is neutralization. As usual, acid plus base gives salt plus water. It's called neutralization. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. Okay, so till now we were discussing with HCl we completed, with HNO3 we completed, with H2SO4 we completed, with H2CO3 also we completed. Now we have to do H3PO4 and CH3COOH. These two acids we will do today, phosphoric acid and acetic acid. Okay, and what are the famous bases we were discussing with? KOH, potassium hydroxide, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, CaOH taken twice, calcium hydroxide, MgOH taken twice, magnesium hydroxide, AlOH taken twice, aluminum hydroxide, ZnOH taken, FeOH taken twice, ferrous hydroxide, PbOH taken twice, lead hydroxide. These are the famous bases we were discussing. So, what happens? As usual, how to write the reaction. When you're writing the reaction, neutralization reactions, what are the steps we are going to follow? See it here. See here. So let's start with phosphoric acid. H3PO4, phosphoric acid. First we'll do with POH, potassium hydroxide. So what salt you are expecting? Potassium phosphate. K is +1, PO4 is -3. Formula turns out to be K3PO4 plus H2O. What is the formula? K3PO4. K3PO4 plus H2O. Okay. So as usual, you have to write ionic equations also. When you write ionic equations, what happens? What is the ionic equation? H plus PO4 minus 3, K plus OH minus, K plus PO4 minus 3, H plus OH minus, and names also. What is the name of this acid? Phosphoric acid. What is the name of this base? Potassium hydroxide. What is the name of this salt? Potassium phosphate. Potassium phosphate. And this is your. So I will write this. This both you are doing as homework daily. Okay, same today also I will write the reactions. Ionic equation. You have to write reaction again. Ionic equation and word equation you should write. This is your homework. Okay, write main equations. Ionic equations and word equations along with main equation is your homework. So I'm going to start with phosphoric acid as usual. Next, H3PO4 phosphoric acid. I think is it balanced? 3 potassiums. Put here 3 children. Now hydrogens 3 plus 3 6. Put here 3. Everything is balanced. Phosphoric acid with NaOH, sodium hydroxide. What salt you are expecting here? Sodium phosphate and water. What is the formula of sodium phosphate? Na3PO4. Why? Because this is +1, this is 3. 3 comes here, 1 goes there. Plus H2O. So 3 sodiums are there. Put here 3 sodiums. 3 hydrogens plus 3 hydrogens, 6 hydrogens. Put 3, 3 to the 6 hydrogens. Next. Phosphoric acid plus calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Ca is +2. PO4 is -3. 3 comes down, 2 goes there, plus water. So what is the formula? Turns out to be Ca3PO4 taken twice. What is the formula? Ca3PO4 taken twice. 3 calciums are there, put here 3 calciums. 2 phosphates are there, put 2 phosphates. 6, 6. So put here 6, 6 to the 12. 12 hydrogens. Like this you are going to balance. Next one. Phosphoric acid has 3PO4 with magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. What happens? See, Mg3PO4 taken twice plus H2O. Same children. Okay. See, magnesium hydroxide plus water. Magnesium hydroxide plus water. Please copy down along with me. Next one. So 4 bases are over. 4 bases are over. Next one. What is the next base? Aluminium, zinc, iron, lead we have to do. Please copy fast. Copy fast, everyone. So with the phosphoric acid, please mute yourself, all of you. Aluminium hydroxide gives what? Aluminium phosphate plus water. Aluminium is +3, PO4 is -3, +3 -3 gone. So what is the aluminium phosphate? AlPO4 plus H2O. Okay, so aluminium is the 1 phosphate, 3 plus 3, 6 hydrogen. So put here 3, it is well balanced. Next, phosphoric acid H3PO4 plus zinc hydroxide. So what is the salt you're expecting? Zinc phosphate plus water. Zinc phosphate is Zn plus 2, PO4 is minus 3. 3 comes here, 2 goes there. So what is the formula turns out to be? Zn3, PO4 taken twice plus H2. 2 phosphate ions, 3 zinc ions. So 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6. So put here 3, it's well balanced. Okay, next. Phosphoric acid plus iron hydroxide, ferrous hydroxide. So Fe3PO4 taken twice because the Fe is plus 2, PO4 is minus 3 plus H2. Okay, 3 ferrous ions are there, 3 ferrous ions and 2 phosphate ions. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. So put here 6. It is balanced. Here also 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Here put 6 children, which is balanced. Okay, and last reaction H3PO4 with lead hydroxide, PbOH taken twice. So what is the salt you're expecting? Lead phosphate and water. Pb is plus 2, PO4 is minus 3 plus H2O. Okay, so 3 comes here, 2 goes there. So what is the name of the salt? Lead phosphate, Pb3, PO4 taken twice. Okay, so 3 leads and 2 phosphates. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. So put here 6, it is balanced. This is how neutralization reaction of phosphoric acid we have done with this many bases.